Hey, it's Santi for today. Got a box of 11-12 Panini Contenders. Yeah, basically Panini's version of SP Authentic. Speaking of SP Authentic, my box of that will be coming in shortly. At least it should be. So yeah, look out for that. Should be a fun break, because that stuff's actually not terrible this year. But yeah, Panini Contenders 11-12. This stuff was pretty popular when it came out. A lot of cool stuff you can get in here. I think it's 4 autographs per box. I think. 3 autographs per box, okay. Yeah, this is basically Panini's version of SP Authentic, although Contenders has been around before SP Authentic, I think. I think Contenders came around like 98. SP Authentic was like 99. But yeah, put those there. Let's begin 11-12 Contenders. Let's see what comes out of here. Right, there's the base cards, nothing out of the ordinary. Malkin, Giroux. Little base pack to start things off. Also got a couple other boxes to open. A lot of base packs in this stuff, if I remember. Also got 2000-2001 Stadium Club. Hockey and 16-17 complete basketball. Keep an eye out for those too in the future. Those should be fun. Lots and lots of base. Ah, we got a patch or something in here. Let's see. Ovechkin, Varlamov, Eberle, Spezza, Duchesne. Let's see if it is a patch, because I know they're... Okay, this feels like a... It's not a patch, but it's like one of those black Contenders, Calder Contenders. Ryan Thang. One of these super thick black Calder Contenders. Which was basically Panini's version of a Future Watch back in 11-12. Yeah, there's our first interesting card, Ryan Thang. I don't think he did much in the NHL. Cool looking card though. Base, Sidney Crosby base. There are a lot of actually decent hits in here in terms of veteran content. For rookies, there's not a whole lot. There's a couple good names though, like Mark Scheifele, of course, is in here. Hopkins, Landeskog. I mean, the rookie class isn't that bad, but like just value-wise, it's nothing special. Definitely, there's Corey Perry. In terms of inserts for this product, there's not a whole ton either. It's clearly evident by like we're halfway, probably not halfway, but maybe like 10 packs in, we've gotten one thing, and here's a second. David Rundblad, NHL Inc. Nice on-card autograph, but it's David Rundblad. I think he was a high pick who never really turned out. I think he was Ottawa. I don't really remember, but whatever. I think he's in Europe now, or he's retired. One or the other. Base. Here's something, Cup Contenders of Jonathan Toews. Out of 9.99, 614 out of 9.99. Base. Tim Thomas. There's our second autograph. Robert Bortuzzo. 583 of 800. Calder Contenders. Well, at least he's still in the NHL. Nice on-card autograph too. Base. I think there are hot boxes of this stuff where you can get like just a bunch of autographs. Here's another Calder Contenders. This is a non-autograph version though of Ben Holmstrom out of $9.99. Base. Cup Contenders of Chris Letang. 736 of $9.99. Be interesting to see if actually there are Contenders hockey cards right now. Yeah, Panini is still making them, if you didn't know, but there's only Capo Caco and Vitaly Kravtsov. Panini is still making hockey cards, they're just not licensed. Redemption. Interesting. That kind of sucks because Panini no longer honors expired redemptions, I don't think, but they had a recent policy change. But let's see what this is. Playoff Contenders, Calder Contenders signatures, Ryan Nugent Hopkins. Oh well. I didn't know he was a redemption in this stuff, but whatever. Oh well. Maybe Panini can do something, but I don't think they do anymore. They recently changed their policy, and I don't think, unless they changed it to where they honor expired redemptions again, but I think they changed it. But who knows? Maybe they'll do something. And last pack. Duncan Keith rainbow base card. 55 of 100. These are nice cards. See, got a Corey Perry back there. These are pretty sweet looking cards. Yes, so that is a box of 11-12 Contenders. Maybe we'll have one more of these boxes to open on camera. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.